Hey there, growers. I'm Dylan, and welcome back to another episode of Grow Closet. Today we're going to be talking about Nectar for the Gods Zeus Juice. Now this is basically the part C, or the part 3, if you will, of their starter nutrient line. You have the Medusa's Magic being part A, Gaia Mania being part B, and then Zeus Juice being the part C, for everybody who's familiar with a 3-part nutrient line. Now this product is utilized to be not only a root conditioner, but a soil conditioner as well. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now, as you can see, this product is a little warped, but if you've ever used Nectar for the Gods, you'll know that this is totally normal. Because they use all organic ingredients, and it's actually continually breaking down in the bottle, this is totally fine. So this product has humic acids in it and kelp extract in it. So the great thing about this Zeus Juice is that it helps with the colonization of mycorrhizae. It also helps condition your root zone as well as condition your soil. So it's a great all-around product to have that you're going to want to use consistently through your flower and your bloom cycle. So this product and many more like it are available at monstergardens.com, or come on by our Sonoma County location. Thanks for stopping by. Go ahead and hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button for us, and if you have any products that you'd like us to feature on Grow Closet, go ahead and comment down below.